A very beautiful Thursday morning here in Siargao, and today we will try out Moju. It's a place where you can grab smoothies, pero mas kilala sila for their ice baths. So tara, let's try it out. Yung discovery lang.
And then, yeah, is it your first time doing ice bath or may WhatsApp na kayo?
Hindi naman po, pero dito first time.
Yeah. Download na lang po. Ay, mag-download nga po pala. Minutes nga po pala natin is 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you can get the maximized benefits within 2 altogether.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, thank you. You'll be facing the window, yeah, right?
Okay.
So it's the provided bracket. Then we'll be facing the window.
Okay.
You'll be sitting over here, and this one is for your feet to elevate. Okay.
So ipapatong ko yung paa dyan.
Yeah, ipapatong. So I want you to do like this one, enter, submerge, and then for your feet, and then for your arms.
Okay.
Because the more you move,
So kapag pinatong ko yung paa ko dyan, nakaangat ba yung toes ko? Hindi.
hindi. I want you, mas maganda yung submerge lahat.
Okay.
Slide a little bit for me, and then you can put your feet over here, yeah. Slide a little bit, so your shoulder. Keep the breathing deep and slow. Nice, good job, good job. No, bro!
Parang nasusunog yung katawan ko. Shit. Woo. I've tried doing ice baths before, pero iba lang yung lamig ngayon. Iba lang yung dami ng ice. Woo.
Oh, you can break that one because the top.
Kung na, gusto ko na tumayo. Akit na ako, ate.
You can submerge your head if you want to.
Hindi na.
Hindi na? Yeah. And then, yeah, you can up and then exit. Nice, nice.
Saan ako? Shower?
I want you to dry up naturally and warm up your body first before shower.
Pagkalabas mo, alam mo yung parang hindi mo nararamdaman yung parts of your body, like your toes, your legs. So kailangan gumalaw-galaw to warm it up.
Okay, go.
Patry ako nung tropical burst. Yeah.
Just one?
Just one.
Hello.
Ito yung tropical burst.
Sobra pa po yan.
So that's it for our Moju ice bath experience here in General Luna, Siargao. So that's it for this video, guys.